welcome back to my channel. Today I am heading off to get my Invisalign switched out. I have them in now. I don't normally wear them during my videos, but I've been doing Invisalign for about 3 or 4 months. I'm starting to lose track because it's been going so quickly, but I'm about to go get my second set of trays. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I got here a few minutes early, like 15 minutes before my appointment. I'm about to head up in a minute, but I just want to give a quick update on how my Invisalign journey has gone so far. So like I said earlier, I've had these for about 4 months. And at first it was sort of painful. I had to get used to the tightness of the trays. The first few days I wasn't able to really eat properly. And, you know, I would have to take Tylenol or ibuprofen or something, you know, at night for that first night. But now I'm getting pretty used to it. It's still sort of tight when I put my first tray on. I'm changing my trays right now weekly. I'll see if that's how it's going to be going forward. But, you know, right now, when I change my trays out, it's still a little sore, but I think I'm just used to the feeling now. So, you know, I can, you know, go ahead and deal with it. Also, too, when I first had these, I had a lisp, sort of. It was difficult for me to talk, but as I have had them for a while now, it's getting a lot easier for me to talk. I still don't feel comfortable wearing them out, like if I go out with friends or anything like that. So my compliance is typically between on most days I wear these around 21 hours a day. You're supposed to wear them 22 out of 24 hours a day. But when I go out or I go out to dinner or hang out with friends, then that may drop to as low as like 15 hours. But I haven't had an issue with it. So, you know, hopefully my Invisalign journey continues to go well and it is successful. So we'll see what the orthodontist says.
Good for today then. All right. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
All right.
Hello. Okay. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good.
So I got your emails, I got your concerns.
Yes.
Let's take a look and see.
Okay.
What I'm thinking is, first of all, how are things going?
Very well.
Actually, I have a little soreness the first day or
Yeah.
so, but nothing too bad. And they seem to, my teeth are tracking, it seems. I mean, you're the professional.
We'll take a look at it. But just from your perspective, things
Yeah.
are going well.
I think so. Uh-oh.
All right. You don't mind me looking at your mask for me?
I have mine.
Good, good.
Okay.
I like it.
Yeah.
Gives you an idea of how things are going. Oh, very nice. I like that.
Yeah.
No, and especially,
Yeah, I didn't use my chewy when I popped these back in this time, but I love it.
good. And I think that's really helping because it will also make your desire to have less attachments
Yeah.
happen
Okay.
more. Because if the teeth track well, you don't need as much attachments.
Okay.
You're on the first stage, so you get a lot of them. But
Okay.
it should generally decrease, especially if things are working well. Especially these two front teeth that
Yeah.
you probably don't like attachments on.
Yeah.
They are the most difficult teeth to move in orthodontics with anything.
Okay.
In 20 years, you ask any orthodontist who's done a lot of implants, what's the number one trouble tooth? That's the one. So those are doing well. So it's wearing chewy will really help make sure you keep in track. So when I do scan you for your next sets of aligners, which is going to happen next time,
Okay.
I will either try and avoid them on these two teeth here. Do you want to give her a mirror as well? Because I just want to make sure we get the right teeth you're talking about.
Okay.
But also, if you need it, I'll see if I can put them on the inside.
Okay.
If they're not, if you don't mind holding on. So, obviously, I know you're concerned about
Yes.
this one and this one.
Yeah.
But are these ones bothering you too?
Yeah.
I guess,
Yeah. They kind of stick pretty far out.
Yeah, no, I mean, believe you me, they come in different sizes, but again, I will try and minimize them towards the front of the mouth as much as I can.
Okay.
I know you want me to do the right job as well. So,
Absolutely.
But there are ways I can try and maybe put some on the inside. I've done that.
Okay.
They sometimes don't work as well, but
Okay.
but based on what I'm seeing right now, I like what I
Okay.
see.
Okay.
So if you can hang in there, I think they are
16 more.
16, if you don't mind opening a little bit. Thank you. No, nice job on keeping the attachments. I know you don't like them, but you're keeping them well.
Yes. Yes.
So then I'm gonna give you the rest of your aligners
Okay.
on number
12 through
yes.
29.
Yeah, 12 to 26.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because the last three, those don't come with any bumps in them. You're gonna
Okay.
get those next time.
Okay, got it.
But yeah, everything's gonna be the same. Continue wearing them all the time and switching every week.
Okay. So do I just push these up or are you gonna do?
So Dr. T did say that one, it's okay to leave it off.
Okay, okay.
Just,
Fine.
keep wearing your aligners the same way.
Okay, perfect. Hi, thank you. For some reason, I always come out the wrong way when I'm leaving, and this office building is not that big, so questioning my sense of direction constantly. It's a pretty hazy day today, but I don't mind because it is not too hot at all. So I got my new trays. I got tray 12 through 26. So everything is going well according to my orthodontist. Everything is going well. My teeth are tracking. I have on this new set, which is not too snug at all. So that's a great sign. That may mean that I'm a little bit ahead of schedule. So that's a good thing. My course of treatment is supposed to be around 18 months. I'm really hoping that I can get some of that time cut down, but we will see about it. Yeah, it was quick and easy. My longest appointment was the first appointment when I had to get the attachments on my teeth. And I was talking to my orthodontist. I had talked to him previous to this visit because I wanted to see if I could get the attachments moved to the back. I mean, primarily for vanity reasons. I just do not like these bumps on the front of my teeth, even though no one really notices them, but I notice them. So he said I am, doing very well, so it's promising that I may be a candidate to get them either removed sooner or moved to the back. So we will see how things go. That definitely gives me inspiration to make sure that I am following all the protocols and moving this thing forward. So yeah, I just wanted to bring you along. This was a pretty quick visit. But yeah, Invisalign is something that I have been doing. I've been wanting to get my teeth corrected for a long time. I don't really have that many issues, but I did have bottom crowding and I had a bit of an overbite, and my teeth at the top were pushed in because I used to have a gap when I was younger, and that gap closed over time, possibly due to my teeth coming in the back sort of like pushed them forward and closed my gap, which I was grateful for, but I didn't realize that that had also pushed my teeth back a bit. So thanks for joining me along this little quick visit, and I will do more vlogs in the future. I just want to carry you guys along with me as I do normal task or vacation or anything like that. So all right, have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the family. Thanks.